My name is Corey. This is patience, or sabali, which is Arabic, a translation for patience. This is our 40-foot billboard on mental health, suicide awareness, trying to raise the bar a little bit when it comes to being in control of our thoughts. So this started, I bought the bus 14 months ago. I've done 32,000 miles in 10 states raising awareness. About 2,000 signatures. Out of those 2,000, 80% are suicide. The other 20%, people just want to see a loved one carry on. We're Suicide Awareness Bus on all major platforms. Feel free to check it out. Come on in, folks. The inside here, we kept very humble. People have been giving us different nautical items, like these nautical pieces of 8. These ship glasses up here in the front made with bear fat and salt, and different memories from people that have left this world. Everything you guys are seeing in here are something that somebody has donated toward the idea of raising the awareness. The names are now spreading inside the bus as well as outside the bus. The inside of this bus is geared up for doing outreach for street kids. So we give away constructive criticisms, Narcans, EpiPens. We talk about sex trade industry. We talk about hard drugs. We give away socks, sleeping bags, those sorts of things for people. This is our kitchen area. Again, keeping things very humble. Little wood burning stove that is collapsible and then goes into an outfitter's tent. So if we're a small town, if fire devastated like 2,000 people, we could respond to that and be able to feed people. The back I set up here with 3 private little cabins, kind of in the back of my mind after little Amtrak sleeper cars. This one here is set up a little bit more feminine energy. We keep overstock of gear in it. And then cameras are welcome to take a look. The other ones, they're a twin mattress by 10 feet. Very simple. Have a very narrow hall, and you guys are welcome to come on down it. This is my grandfather's casket flag and then my father's casket flag.
I don't know if I'll fit.
It is narrow.
Oh, my gut. I'll just stop here.
And it's a very small, gives me a little area where I can think and talk to people.
Sure.
Spread the awareness. Be suicide aware, folks. Thanks for appreciating our build.
Now, if people wanted to get a hold of you or donate, is there any social media presence or any way you'd like to?
Yes, very new to social media presence, realizing this message means more than myself or any of the followers. So we're Suicide Awareness Bus, all one word, squished together. Instagram, Facebook, brand new to TikTok, Cash App, and Venmo, all Suicide Awareness Bus. My name is Corey Roche. The streets call me Pastor Useless. I appreciate you folks.
Thank you. Thank you for the tour. I love your mission.
Thanks, man. Sorry about that narrow hallway, my brother.
Yeah, I keep trying to lose weight. This is another reason to...
I thought you were going to live back there for a minute.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.